Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm a vintage decor person, but I'm starting a new journey. Flip furniture. I'm a flip furniture mom. I started to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition, $12,550 a year. And today's video I'm going flip a set, a bedroom set, but I have my camera broke down and I try to show with pictures all the makeover at this video. Let's go to start. I got this dresser on a Facebook Place Market for free, and the two nightstands on my local thrift store for $60. It's not in bad shape. Has some scratch, some glue. The doors is in good shape. I'm take the hardware off for make a good cleaning. I'm sanding all the pieces. I'm sorry guys, I'm not show all the process because my camera broke, and now I'm going to wash the top. On the whole set, I make my own color. I mix chocolate in line white with charcoal and make a light gray. On the top I'm just use charcoal and wipe down with a rag, make a smoke gray. Go talk about numbers. I got this dresser on a Facebook marketplace for free. I got these 2 nightstands on my local thrift store for $60. I got the mirror from my neighbor for free. I spent about $20 on paint and I sold that for $500. I have a profit $420. Go straight to my daughter's tuition. I hope you enjoy my video.